Shalom, shalom, shalom. This is your brother, Yael Ezra Ben Levy, coming at you again with another quick video. Today, I want to do a quick video on the Torah portion, Bereshit. Many of you would know it commonly as Genesis. I'm actually a day behind, or a week behind, because this week, on this Holy Shabbat, we are actually in the starting the Torah portion, Noach, aka Noah. But I wanted to do this video to make up for the video I missed on Bereshit. I will not go into the whole portion, but I just want to highlight nuggets from each portion of the Torah portions that we read. So in Bereshit, I want to start with the first verse, and the first verse only. And it says, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. That's what it says in English. In Hebrew, it is Bereshit bara Elohim et hashemayim va'et ha'eretz. Bereshit is what is normally translated as in the beginning. It could actually be translated as with the beginning, as well as saying in. Because the word Bereshit is actually two words and not just one. Because when you have the bait, the Hebrew letter that represents B, prefixed to the word, it represents in or with. And Reshit is like the head or summit. So it's basically in the beginning. So that's where we get that from. It's actually two words. Bereshit is two words, not one. Now here is a word that I want to share that will hopefully bring a lot of clarity to the misunderstanding of the word Elohim. Because the limited knowledge that some people have on the word Elohim is that Elohim is a plural word. And Elohim is a plural word. But when you understand context and how Hebrew grammar works. Now, I'm not saying I am an expert. I am a student of Hebrew. I am still learning the language. But there's some things I do understand that I am more than willing to share to bring clarity. Now, the word Elohim, which is normally translated as God when referring to an individual God, or it also represents, the same word is used to represent the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. But you have to understand Hebrew context. Also, I want to share that same word is also used when you're speaking of false gods, pagan gods. The same word is used at times. But right here, when people think, when it says in the beginning God created, they say when the Hebrew the word is Elohim, that's a plural word. So it's saying more than one God. And for most Christians, when they see the word Elohim, that thinks that is a word that is a proof text for them. And they see that and say, well, see, that's the Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. Actually, it is not referring to that, because you have to do in Hebrew, the verb that precedes it will have to represent the noun. And if the noun is plural, the Hebrew verb has to be plural as well. And bara is singular, not plural. And that will let you know the word Elohim will have to be understood as singular. It is not plural. So actually in the Hebrew, it actually says in the beginning, he created. Bara means he created, not they created. So with the aleph at the end of bara, let you know it's talking about God. When you see the aleph, that is always symbolic to God. So that lets you know he created. It is a singular verb representing what the one true God did. So we need to understand, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. He did not have help from anyone. This is not referring to somebody helping him in creation, or he used another force to create. Jehovah said he created all things. So I hope this helped. This is your brother Yael. Till the next time. Shalom.